Two for Chairman, Madaroma, and Nidia Muni now. And Chair Cran near day for Francis Namusini, Abshel Budiski, Ebekra, Yura. Okay, I check on October. Pope Ayifu Frabaye, Archbishop Julien Kabore, or Burkina Beni, Kabore. October no baye, Wachia cry real Mapina than from Massing Dikia Obesra, Yura, no be dear the Cassia Pusiata. Timmy dear mother, the median a buy, to this Beche Yura. We said, what's what we did at the Cassia for the Abema can home by, and I said, but I'm so I can't home by. Need the money by ya. Fufra Muchian, did Beche Yura in Shra. Now, the Bidikusiada, and about the Cassia, and being. That's what Daruma. We did get rich out because I crave. Okuta in some, they be a rosary or her. And a cross of a Febia. May you watch a Yura. And a Busia concron and phony. I was said, and you mother. Jesus, Mary Joseph, Ancient Yura. Now, as I money a Busia concron. And then they might put out the Bibles. In that demand, this will lead you about this survey. Encouragement. En anglais. Il speaks au Kabore.
Your Majesty, it's a great honor for me to be here today, and I came to convey cordial greetings from the Holy Father, Pope Francis. As Archbishop mentioned, I arrived in Ghana only a few months ago, in October, and this is my first time to visit this beautiful capital of the Ashanti Kingdom, and upon invitation of the Archbishop of Kumasi. And the visit has no specific purpose, it's a pastoral visit, just to express the closeness and the love of the Pope to the Church here. But as we can presume, the Pope, he is not only concerned of the Catholics, but also for the world. And therefore, my presence here is to show the love, the closeness of Pope to the Church, but also to the King of Ashanti and all the peoples who are here, whoever they may be, regardless of their religion, beliefs. So I'm here for that. And again, we ask the Lord to keep you safe and to keep all people living in your territory safe, united in peace, in justice, and in mutual understanding. So this is the purpose of my visit to your Royal Majesty.
Moses Ongo is here, Kumasi. Moses Ongo is here.
Are you ready?
Burkina Bay.
Yeah, I am from Kabore is my yes. Archbishop told me that there are also Bosi here in Kumasi. Yes. So I'm happy to know that. Thank you.
So you present this?
Yeah, this is the cross, the crystal cross, so that now present it to your Majesty, so that our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ may always watch upon you.
Thank you very much.
Let it follow.